Sure. Thank you. Bye bye.
First officer Righto, and for your safety and comfort in the cabin, we're accompanied by senior cabin crew Josie and cabin crew Kamina. It is a pleasure to have you aboard our Dash 8-400 aircraft flight number TC 124 inbound Kilimanjaro. We're currently in the final process of finalizing departure procedures. Once that is completed, doors closed, we shall commence our journey for Kilimanjaro. We are expecting an altitude of 22,000 feet above main sea level, departing runway 18 with the right turn, heading towards the northern direction. We expect fine weather throughout the flight, and Mr. Raycon shall be flying us towards the destination, and we shall get back to you the latest weather once we begin at the San Fernando. In the meantime, please comply with the cabin safety instructions that will be demonstrated to you by a crew in order to facilitate the departure. And once again, we apologize for the delay that is due to operational reasons. Thank you very much. Wish you a pleasant journey.
Passengers with mobile phones, should you cancel more for the duration of the flight, we request you to place your baggage under the seat in front of you. Do not block the aisle exit. And please address not permitted. Thank you and welcome aboard. Mabibi namba 1 kama kwenye boti za chini kama hivi, pia unaweza kujaza kupuliza mirija hii. Kuna tano filimbi kwa mawasiliano. Usijaze boya kwa ndani ya ndege, boya na mtoto litajazwa ndani ya ndege. Bilanka complete attention for the demonstration safety instructions. Ensure that the back of your seat is in upright position, fasten the seatbelt by setting the flap made of different angles. The bell may retention the full service and including the back.
We have commenced our descent in preparation for landing at Kilimanjaro International Airport. Will you please fall back to your table, fasten your seatbelts, armrest down, put the back of your seat in the upright position. Your window shade should be fully open, all of your luggage should be stored underneath the seat in front of you or in the right way. The use of lavatories is not permitted at this time. Thank you. Kilimanjaro. Tafadhali baki kwenye kiti, fungua mkanda mpaka ndege isimame kabisa na injini kuzimwa. Tafadhali tunaomba uchukue tahadhari unapofungua sehemu ya kuwekea mizigo na hakikisha umechukua mizigo yako nje kabla ya kuondoka. Iwapo unahitaji msaada, tafadhali ubaki na kiti.
Bye.